Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video, we are basically going to learn about how we can link our Porkbun domain with the GoHighLevel, and I will guide you step by step how you can, in a few steps, you can link your Porkbun domain with the GoHighLevel. And I just go to the setting, the first step, and after that I can go to the domain area here. Here is a domain area, and here what we need to add, domain here. Just simply connect the domain, not contact domain, but in the first step we will add domain. Okay, and here is a branded domain added already that I have added few seconds ago. I will add another domain and I will say connect domain, and I will say that's domain is for web pages, so we will call it link dot something, whatever your domain is. I just want to link subdomain. Simply click on it and I will say add manual, and here we need to add this record into Porkbun. I just simply I'll copy the this host, and after that required value simply go to here, and here you can see the simple login into your Porkbun account, and here you can see simple DNS button. Just simply click on it, and here you can just put this link, the subdomain name, and after that what you need to do, simply go to this, copy this value and put the value here, and after that you can just simply add it. So that's record is added already. So just go back here and I just verify it. It will take few seconds, and after that it will be a verify. So domain is already linked, so we can select where we need to link the domain. Right now we don't have any funnel, so we have A2P registration. We can use it for link the domain, but right now I'm not going to link it with it, and I just simply go back. And after that I can link dedicated domains for email services. I just go to here, and after that I can go for email services, and in email services simply I can go to domain area, and after that we can select dedicated domain, and in dedicated domain we will say add domain, and in add domain we will say whatever your domain is, simply copy paste your domain, and in my case this is a domain. Instead of link we can say reply, because we are going to use for email, so we will say reply dot whatever your domain is. I just simply add it. Again it will take few seconds, so I will just say we will going to add manually. The first thing is that we will going to add host txt, then cname, then mx. So I just go back here again and just go to the DNS, and so we can search for txt. Here is a txt record. I just add host, and after that I can add value here, and I just simply add it. And same here, now we can add another record that's called txt again, reply the value, and reply the host, and we can add value here. That's a value. I can just put the value, and let me pause this video and quickly add this record, then I will start from here. So simply I have added all the recorded quickly. Here you can see all record is here. So simply I just cross this, go back and verify this record. It will take few seconds, and after that all record will be verified automatically, because we have set this all record manually. So I just say that verify domain as well. So it will take few seconds and it will be automatically. Here we have subdomain, and just simply go to here. We will set email header, so our email system is ready to send and receive email, and SSL is also activated in few seconds. So that's it from this video. If you need any GoHighLevel services, simply go to leadsflex.com, search leadsflex.com in a Google, go to here and book your free consultation, and I will jump on your call, and I will guide you step by step. And either you can buy GoHighLevel with my affiliate link. I can give you a fully established SaaS system, and I will also give you these all snapshot free of cost. Free of cost, and you can use it for your business, and you can grow your business if you can go with my affiliate link. So yeah, that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching this.